First, we're going to get started by having a seat, taking an easy seat with our legs crossed at the shin. Before we start, we're going to take a few inhale and exhale to invite in and positive energy and clarity. And with every inhale and exhale, you want to release any tension and let go of what no longer serves you. Now let's get started with a few neck rotations. We're going to rotate our necks from left to right. And please remember to breathe in and out of your nose. And you want to be very gentle with yourself. Now we'll move on to a few shoulder rotation. You want to move your shoulders up toward your ears and then back down your back. So you're going to rotate it very gently up and backwards. Then we're going to reverse it. Now spread your arms out wide and extend them up above your head for a few arms overhead. And if you have a little tightness and you're unable to touch the palm of your hands together, that's okay. Again, just be very gentle with yourself and always remember to inhale and exhale. Now let's do a few torso twists. You're going to put one hand over the opposite knee and rotate your torso, placing one hand to the back of you, and just hold for a few inhale and exhale. Rotate it to the opposite side. Now we're going to do some more rotations at our torso. So you're going to place your hands on your knees and just rotate yourself around in a circle, moving your arms as well. You're going to reverse it. And again, remember to deep breathe. Inhale and exhale. And these are called torso twists. Now let's loosen up our wrists, put our hands together, and we're just going to rotate, clasp our hands together, and we're just going to rotate our wrists. Move it clockwise and then counterclockwise. Put the palms of your hands together and then the back of your hands together, and you're going to just rotate it forward. And then we'll reverse it. Next, let's do a few seated windshield wipers with our legs. Put your hands in the back. Secure yourself with your hands in the back on the mat. And just shift your legs from left to right, dropping gently both legs at one time to the left and the right. Now we're going to extend our legs. And now we'll do some leg pulls. And you're going to pull your knee gently to your chest, one at a time. Make sure that your abdominal muscles are inward to support your back. Next, we'll do a few ankle rotations, and we'll rotate our ankles. We'll reverse it. Now point and flex your feet. And we'll do this for a few times. As you can see here, I'm supporting myself by keeping my hands flat on the mat. Next, we'll do a few rounds of cat and cow to wake up our spine. So you're going to go on all fours and gently rotate your hands, making sure your hands are on the mat. And you're going to gently arch your back up into cow. And then you'll lower your chest down to cat. And when you're doing it, move your head. When you're in cow, you want to lower your head. And when you're in cat, you want to lower it as well. Now we'll do a few go into a child's pose. And you want to widen your knees to the edge of the mat. Make sure your toes are together and extend your hands outward. Next, we'll do a few side stretches. And put your fingertip at the corner of your mat and stack your hands on top of each other. The hand on the opposite side of where you're stretching, you want to place that on top of the hand. Place it on top of the hand where you're stretching. Now we'll come back up to all fours. And we'll go into a pigeon pose. Here you're going to slide your right knee forward. And your left leg, you're going to keep it extended, then you'll bend it. And you're going to reach back and pull it. And again, this is be very, very gentle with yourself when doing this one. Slide that leg back and repeat that same thing on the other side. And again, be very gentle with yourself. And if you're not able to grab your leg or your ankle or anything, that's okay. Just bend your knee and don't worry about trying to hold on to your foot or your ankle or even your calf. Next, we're going to stretch out our toes. So sit back on your heels and keep your toes down on the mat. And we'll stretch out our toes. And here we want to breathe in and out. Once we're done, just shake it out just a little bit on the mat. And next we're going to move into downward facing dog. And downward facing dog, as you can see here, my arms are on the mat and so are my feet. And here we're just going to paddle our legs. And this helps a lot with stretching out our hamstrings as well as our quads up front. So again, be very gentle with yourself while doing this. Next, you're going to lower yourself down into a plank. And turn on all fours. And we're going to slowly go back to where the position we started, back into an easy seat. And we're going to do a few deep breaths here. And here, now let's just take a few time to just meditate. And let your hands rest comfortably at your heart. Let them stay there in stillness for a moment. Keep your eyes closed if you feel safe. And then you allow your breath to just settle naturally. Let this stillness wrap around you like a soft blanket. This is your time for meditation, a moment to be without effort. Taking a few deep breaths in and out of your nose. Namaste.